Top of the sixth. Nobody out. Nobody on. One, Jonathan. There you go.
Head away.
Yeah, it looks like he put matches out on.
Right. Yankees are down 2-0. See what I started? Yeah, we're all whacked.
Yeah, they get. That's what we did yesterday.
No margin for error.
We call that a ball?
Yeah. Definitely a lot faster. Oh, it's a strike?
He did call a strike, yeah.
Call that one a strike?
Yeah.
Went down and caught it.
Is that a
like
payback?
I don't know.
I think so.
2-2. Go get him, Chris.
Yes! He wanted to pull the trigger. Oh, he did? Okay.
All right.
See, he looked like he wanted to pull the trigger.
Oh, he asked for help. I like that.
Take it.
I don't know. It looked like he just went like that.
I don't know either. That's why I said I'll take it.
Jeez. Thank you.
It's 2 outs, right?
Yeah.
2.
After this inning, he should have something. He has nobody warming up.
Well, you know what? If he was going to move guys around, maybe he should have had someone go on the left and put Evans on the bench right now, warming up. You know?
Evans warming up.
No, he's right in front of us.
He's in front of us. He has nobody because I could see Kelly from here.
Sokol?
I think everybody's on the bench sitting there.
Well, he called me up after that.
Maybe they warmed up last inning.
Come on, Chris, don't lose him. Get a 1, 2, 3 inning.
Yeah.
So he said, yeah, he goes, you ran through the fucking hole. And he said,
I lost track. You know the count?
Yeah, I lost track of the count.
Ushers have got to prevent those guys from walking in front of them. The batters. You know, I was actually shocked they don't do that at Citi Field. They don't prevent you from walking into the end of the section.
Oh, jeez. Yeah,
in the good seats they do.
Do they do?
Yeah.
I was getting pissed off. People kept walking past me.
I know. You get up and you stand there. You might have to stand there for 5 minutes before there's an out and you go back to your seat.
Nice.
Struck him out. Good job, Chris. Way to finish.
Good job.